Hello everyone! For today's vlog, I'm gonna showing you what I'm doing for this. Making the food access for my chicken cage. This part of the video, see I'm twisting around the metal screen to make sure that there is no such sharp thing in my chickens and give them the food. Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm This is what we're supposed to do. See, there's a bamboo there. They can access the food. And then the other side of the cage too done. And supposedly I'm making this other side now. Okay, because the other side I've done just slightly. Here we go. Keep on doing. Okay, done. Wanna go, my son? Here we go, it's done. We're ready to put the feed in here now and they can have their feeding. Alright, got it. Okay, hope they like it. Okay, gonna fill up this. It's very taking time actually looking after this 45 days chickens. And here now we have to open the top and pick up the blocks that I put in just to prevent them from annoying me. So that's it. So here we go, ready now, time to eat chickens. Eating time. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a bamboo thing. You have to pick it up. Right. Oh, there. They're eating already. So that's nice work. Job well done today. that's it for now. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye everyone. See you in another vlog.